Hi, Michael Mowbray from MoLight here. I want to talk to you about our GoMo line of soft boxes. Today we're going to be talking about our Stripbox. Now, what's the most durable, portable softbox on the planet? That would be these guys, the GoMo soft boxes. Our Stripbox is a 1x5 strip box, 1 foot by 5 foot. Comes with 2 layers of diffusion, an inner panel and an outer panel, as well as the grid. The grid's included, guys. You don't have to buy it extra. We believe in adding everything you need right in the very same package you buy. No extras, no add-ons, all that kind of stuff. So other details of this box, really, really tough outer Cordura material. Inside, and we'll get into a look in the inside, we've got a pebbled reflective surface that helps take those light rays and scatter them around a little bit more because, you know, we're always concerned with specularity and softness when we're using a softbox. We want to make sure that we get the softest light and the least specular light that we can. And with our GoMo boxes, our pebbled interiors help ensure that you always do. On the back, as we take a look at this, it has a standard Bowens S mount. Just clicks and remove. You can use the Bowens S adapter to use this with a speed light or with our AD362 TTL lights or any other speed light, quite honestly. I'm not going to be watching you, so I don't know what kind of speed light you could use. You could use any one you want. I'd prefer to use one of mine, but you could use any one you want. Or if you've got a Bowens mount strobe, the Bowens S mount will fit right into that. How easy is this softbox to attach to a mount? Very easy. What I normally do is I just open up the back vented panel to make sure I can just reach inside and grab a hold of it, fit it into the Bowens S mount, turn, click, voila, it's done. Speaking of the vented panel, if you're using a hot light with these, although they're really more designed for studio strobes and speed lights, if you want to use a hot light with them, you can vent out the heat here, but this also gives you access into where your strobe is, where your speed light is. If you need to drop a gel on your speed light, you can open up the back of the box and easily reach in and put a gel on your speed light. So we thought of all the different details possible with this particular box. And lastly, you do have a thumb screw on here. Let's rotate it around. If you want to lock this box so it doesn't rotate on the mount, thumb screw, tighten it up, tighten it up. Now it's not going anywhere. You want to be able to swing this around and maybe work with it horizontally as a hair light, you can do that as well. So a lot of different features in this box. How easy is this to tear down and set up? Really easy. Everything's basically Velcro or clipped. So you remove the grid just by unvelcroing the edges. I don't tear it apart entirely unless I know I really don't want to use the grid. I almost always use the grid with the Stripbox, by the way. I'll take it about halfway down, do the same thing with the outer diffusion panel, and that leaves us with the inner baffle. The inner baffle is clipped in. We just undo the clips. And now that gets us into the interior of the box. And you can see what I'm talking about. Nicely reflective but pebbled interior. Many boxes don't go this extra step. They have a shiny silver interior. That leads to higher specularity. We go with a pebbled interior so we still have efficiency with kicking the light out, but it's taking those rays and scattering them just a little bit more. The pebble is an extra step, but it's the extra step we take for you. As you can see on the inside, we're dealing with a really solid construction. Strong central spine, strong caging system, super durable ribs. This guy falls over, it's not going to get all bent up like most other umbrella boxes. That's the key feature of these soft boxes. They don't get all bent up. You can abuse them. I don't recommend abusing any of your equipment, by the way, but you can abuse them. They're going to last. That's what we wanted. We wanted a super durable, really studio quality soft box that's portable that you can take anywhere you want. Just to release this box, you press down on the center, release the tension, and it collapses down. Take it off your mount, throw it in your bag, you're ready to roll. Let's take a look at a fly-through of the interior of the Stripbox. On the outside we have 2-inch wide industrial strength Velcro to hold the outer grid
and the outer diffusion panel. On the inside we have clips for the inner diffusion panel, as well as a pebbled interior that helps really scatter those light rays. The structure of the box, the main ribbing system, is heavy-duty metal to ensure that it doesn't get all bent up, doesn't break. This thing is built to last. There's a solid caging system to help protect your bare bulb flashes, and we even added a little cotter pin in to help secure that center post, so just in case you really bump this, that release does not let go and your umbrella style box will collapse. I've never had it happen, but it's still a nice little feature that we added that's really simple, but just shows that we have the details taken care of.